Switching to a static IP address offers the advantage of providing consistent and reliable connectivity for critical services, such as hosting servers or enabling remote access, without the risk of address changes disrupting operations. For this, first of all, let's open Command Prompt as administrator. Here type ipconfig/all to view current IP address configurations. Scroll up and note down name of adapter and other things like IPv4 address, subnet mask, DNS server, etc. Note down these things in Notepad as shown here. Assign those value in this first command. I will provide all these command in description. This command sets the Wi-Fi interface to use the static IP address 192.168.1.71 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 and a default gateway of 192.168.1.254. Then copy down this command and paste it in command line as shown here. We have successfully set static IP configuration. Now let's assign a DNS server address. In my case, this command sets the DNS server for the Wi-Fi interface to use 1.1.1.1 as its static DNS server. Now copy this command and paste it in command line and press enter. This third command adds the DNS server 8.8.8.8 as the second DNS server in the configuration of the Wi-Fi interface. The DNS server 8.8.8.8 is one of the public DNS servers provided by Google. It is commonly known as Google Public DNS. You can check whether static IP configuration is enabled or not for this type ipconfig/all command and press enter. Here you can see DHCP enabled is set to no. So we can say these settings for static IP. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.